students, we are discussing lesson number 2, that is motion. So we have learnt about the distance means distance means the length of the path covered by the object. Displacement means the shortest distance covered by the object. And speed, distance by time. Velocity, displacement by time. And acceleration, the rate of change of velocity of a body is called as acceleration. And we have learned about the equations of motion also, right? Now how to find the acceleration for a body when it is moving along inclined position. So let's see. To find out the acceleration, this is the floor. Okay, now here to create the inclined position, we have to keep the books one by one. So these all are your textbooks. So all these are your textbooks. Now we have to take a long plastic pipe whose length is 200 centimeters, and you have to cut into two parts, equal parts. Now we have to keep the plastic tubes like this, inclined position. So the two plastic tubes act like a track. Now we have to take one marble whose size should be sufficient on the track. Okay, so for the moving purpose, here is the marble. Okay, now here the length of the plastic tube is 200 centimeters. We have cut it into two parts. Okay, so length now it will be 100 centimeters, right? So here we have to keep one steel plate. So the marble should be keep at different positions like 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 60 centimeters, 70 centimeters, like that. So for example, here I am keeping the object, let it be 40 centimeters. Now I am leaving this, then it will go like this and finally it will reach the steel plate. So over there it will stop. You have to take a stopwatch. When it is falling down, immediately you have to on the stopwatch and has to count the time, how much time required to go to reach the steel plate. So you have to note down the distance and as well as the time. So when you are keeping it 40 centimeters, how much is the time? And now you are keeping the marble at 50 centimeters. And again note down the time. 60 centimeters, 70 centimeters. Like that we have to note down. Now what is our ultimate aim actually? That is to find out the acceleration, right? So we have here S value and T value. Now when a body is falling down, it means its initial velocity will be 0. It means U value is 0. So we have S value, T value and U value is 0. Now we have three equations of motion. When you look at the second equation, that is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Here S value we can keep. This entire value will become 0 because initial velocity U value is 0. So S is equal to half AT square. We want A, acceleration. So this is by 2. When comes to here, into 2. So 2S is equal to AT square. Now A value will be, this is into T square. When comes to here, division. 2S by T square. So this is the acceleration formula. When we are keeping the S value and T value, we will get acceleration. Okay, like this we can find out the acceleration. And even here we are getting S and T, right? You can make a ST graph also. Distance and time graph. Okay, when you are taking the time along x-axis and distance covered by the marble, that is along y-axis, if the graph will be a straight line, then it is uniform motion. Otherwise, if it is coming like this curve, then it is non-uniform motion. For ST graph, a straight line represents uniform motion. This curve one, it represents a non-uniform motion. Okay, so like this we can find out the acceleration. From the acceleration we can find out the velocity also, because acceleration formula v minus u by t, right? Here u value is 0. So acceleration, rate of change of velocity, right? V by t. T value we know. From this velocity also we can find out. So when a body is moving along the inclined position, then here the total distance is 100 centimeters. We have to keep the marble at different positions like 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter. So at 50 centimeter I am leaving the marble, so it will fall down and finally reaches to the steel plate. So steel plate will obstruct the marble. Now we have to note down the time, how much time required to reach the steel plate. That time you have to calculate. You have to note down by using the stopwatch. So like that we will know S value and T value. We have S is equal to ut plus half at square formula. Here initial velocity u value is 0. So when you are substituting this, you will get acceleration formula, that is 2s by t square. By keeping the s and t values here, you will get a. And after finding the acceleration, you can calculate the velocity also. So for velocity, acceleration formula, rate of change of velocity. So initial velocity u value is 0. So a equal to v by t. V is equal to at. So like this you can calculate acceleration and velocity of the body when it is moving down, when it is inclinedly falling down. And even we can make a ST graph also. If the graph will be a straight line, then the motion will be uniform motion. If it is a curved one, it is non-uniform motion. Thank you.